From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, Penn State. Taking a live look here at the Penn State golf courses right now. Seeing the southern mountain ridges. You can see to the east over here is where our sunrise is, so we got some nice orange and blue mixing in. Looking at our current conditions here in State College, we're right now at 28 degrees. It feels like 21 as the wind slowly starts to pick up, and our dew point's at 19 degrees right now. Taking a look at our weather headlines for today, a red flag warning takes place at 10 a.m. today across much of the viewing area here in Pennsylvania. To go along with that is high winds, so many communities on Wednesdays have burnings. I would hold off on burning today. And then this weekend we have some wet weather, but it comes with a nice warm up. Taking a look at our current temperatures across much of the state. Here in State College, as I said, we had 28. We have 25 out here in Selinsgrove. A little warmer down here to our southwestern communities of Johnstown and Altoona at 40 and 35. And then looking at more of a statewide map, we have a warm spot up here in Erie at 43 thanks to Lake Erie. And then here in Philadelphia, we have 40 and also 40 out here in Pittsburgh. So looking at our current wind conditions, it's calm over here in the eastern part of the state for Scranton and Harrisburg. We got 7 miles per hour right now here in State College, a little faster up here in Erie at 16, but that'll change as the day goes along today, as wind gusts will pick up around 2:30 this afternoon. We could see wind gusts here in State College at 31 miles an hour. That is true for much of the mountain areas where the wind will get intensified. We have 27 mile an hour gusts in Williamsport possible and 29 up here in Scranton. As the day goes along, those will calm off though, and into tomorrow, they'll get back down to more of a calm range. Still got about 10 mile an hour wind gusts possible here in State College, but for much of the rest of the state, much more usual wind gusts for the day. Well, the current across the state right now, not much going on weather-wise and precipitation. It's pretty quiet. But if we come off the coast here, we have this big system here, which is what's bringing us the winds for today. This system luckily will stay well to our east and is currently going up through Boston getting some rain, and parts of Maine and that will get some pretty significant snowfall out of this system. So looking ahead at our future radar across the eastern part of the state, you have this big low pressure system continuing to move northward. The winds will die down as it continues to move up towards Canada. But then if you look off to our west over here, we have our next wave that will begin to move in on Friday. There's a slight chance of some mixing in, but most of this will probably stay to the Poconos, where it's higher elevations and still a little bit cooler. But for here in State College, I expect this to stay mainly rain, and it'll come across through Friday afternoon into Friday night. By Saturday morning, clearing out for a much better Saturday than what we have on Friday. So looking ahead for today's forecast, mix of sun and clouds, high of 55. It will be windy. If winds being around 15-20 miles an hour, gusts could be up to 35 miles per hour. For the overnight hours, it'll be pretty clear tonight, with winds finally calming down to about 5 or 10 miles an hour as that low pressure system moves up the coast. And then for tomorrow, much better day in terms of wind, as wind will be calm, but we have a chance of showers and a high of 53. For the 7-day outlook, for Friday, we have rain moving in with a high of 50. Saturday looks very nice after the rain moves out with a high of 60. And then looking to the rest of early next week, Monday and Tuesday up into the mid and upper 60s with some showers there, but much nicer temperatures. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Brock Townsend. Have a good day.